Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix error code 14109 in Windows 11. This issue usually appears when you try to start an NVIDIA service or open GeForce Experience and get the message error 14109. Don't worry, I will guide you through the exact steps to fix it permanently. First, we will start by removing all NVIDIA-related drivers and software. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Look for anything that starts with NVIDIA, display drivers GeForce Experience or BHYSX, and uninstall them one by one. When prompted to restart, choose Not Now because we will clean up the remaining files first. After uninstalling, press Windows key R on your keyboard, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. Double check that there is nothing NVIDIA related left. If there is, uninstall it too. Next, we will boot into save mode to make sure no background process interferes. Press Windows R again, type msconfig and hit Enter. Go to the Boot tab, check the box that says Save Mode and select Minimal. Click Apply, OK, and restart your computer. Once you are in save mode, open Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section, right-click your NVIDIA graphics card and select Uninstall Device. Check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device, then click Uninstall. This removes the old driver completely. Now press Windows R again, type msconfig and open it once more. And check save mode and restart your computer normally. Once Windows loads, it's time to reinstall the driver fresh. Open your browser and download the latest NVIDIA driver that matches your GPU and system. Let it finish and restart your computer. After reboot, we will verify the NVIDIA services are working properly. Press Windows R again, type Services, MSC, and press Enter. Scroll down until you find NVIDIA Display Container, LS, and NVIDIA Local System Container. Right-click each service, open Properties, and set Startup Type to Automatic. If any of them are stopped, click Start, then click Apply and OK. If you still see the 14109 error, we will refresh some Windows features that may be interfering. Press Windows, type Windows Features, and open Turn Windows Features on or off. Uncheck .NET Framework 3.5, click OK, wait a few seconds, then check it again and click OK once more. This will reinstall and refresh that component, which often fixes the NVIDIA service startup issue. Once done, restart your computer again. Now open GeForce Experience or check the NVIDIA control panel. If it opens normally, congratulations, you have fixed error 14109. If the problem still exists, try a clean boot to roll out software conflicts. Press Windows R, type msconfig, and hit Enter. In the Services tab, check Hide over Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Go to the Startup tab, click Open Task Manager, and disable all startup items. Restart your PC and try again. If the error is gone, one of those background programs was causing the conflict. Re-enable them one by one until you find the one responsible. Finally, make sure Windows is up to date. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install everything available, especially optional driver updates. After that, reboot your computer one last time. Try launching your NVIDIA software again. You should no longer see error code 14109. And that's it. You have successfully fixed the issue using simple steps. If this helped you, drop a comment saying fixed 14,109 inches so others know it worked. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick Windows 11 fixes, and I will see you in the next one.